everyone. Today we will see how to create tables, how to insert values, and how to use this graphical user interface SQL developer to do some simple operations. So first I'm going to check whether the connections are made correctly. After the connections are made, you just have to do select star from dual table, so which is a dummy table. If you just do select star from dual, and if you get the value dummy of x, meaning the connections, everything is made correctly, and we check the dummy table. Okay, so here first step is I'm going to create a table. Just let me put a comment, so double dash, and then I'm just going to make create table. So table name is student. So let me just start creating a table. Create table. Table name is going to be student. Open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. So everything is going to be inside. All the attributes has to be defined here. Student number, SIN, and then I can give number of, let's say 6-digit number, and then I can give this as a primary key. So every table should have a unique identifier. Each table will have one primary key. So I'm defining the SIN number, student number as primary key, or I can just make it as STUNO. Okay, so you can use underscore, you can use, but there should not be any spaces. So student number, and then I can just give first name, variable and character, varchar 2 of 20, and age, number of 2 digits. Then I can just type address. Okay, varchar 2 of 20 or 30. So now you have your table ready. Now you can compile the table and you can see whether your table is created. So this is the icon. So control enter is the shortcut key, or you can just click this icon. So student table is created. If you want to check, so select star from student, semicolon, control enter. If you do that, table structure is created. If you want to even check to see the whole structure described, DESC, and then the table name, then it shows descriptions. Student number is a primary key, so that's why it is a not null. There should be in some values, so a primary key cannot be empty. And then F name, first name, last name, another. So this is how you can see the structure. Now I'm going to insert the values. Insert values. So insert values is insert into table name. So here the table name is student, and then insert into table name values, open bracket, and then I can give 1 2 3 4 5 comma. So first name is Anna, comma, age, let's say 28, comma, address 2 Kings Avenue. Okay, and then Toronto. And if I want to enter one more record, start entering one more record, you can compile it. If there is no error, it shows one row inserted. So I'm just going to copy the same thing, paste it here, and I'm going to make it as 2 3 4 5, and this one is Bob, and I can make it as, let's say, 38 and ABC Avenue. Now you can enter it, you can see one row inserted. But if you try to duplicate it, so see, again I'm trying to duplicate. So let me type my name, and then I can, if I enter it, if you see, as these numbers are duplicated, a primary key cannot be null and primary key cannot be duplicated. So this is why you're getting this violation error. Other than these two values, you can enter the third record, any other values, that's fine. So that's the reason for getting this error. So I'm going to make it as 25256, and then I can make it as 3 Progress Avenue, and then I can enter it. So one row inserted. Okay, so this is how you can enter the values. And for some reason, if you want to delete a table, how to delete a table? A table is created, now you change your mind and you want to delete it. So how to delete a table? So deleting a table is drop table, table name. So drop table, table name is here student, and when I press Control Enter, so table student is dropped. So that will not be in your schema. So this is the first step that we do, how to create a table. And if you want to rerun it again, see now if you do select star from table name, that is student, table does not exist because we dropped the table. Again, if I want to recreate it again, you have the code, you can again run it. You can again run it. So table student is created. You can check the structure is there. So you can reuse the code, and if you want to run the whole thing, you can run the whole thing. So all the 3 rows gets deleted. Now without dropping a table, if I just do select star from student, you can actually see all the values gets inserted here. Okay, so that's a first step in Oracle, how to create a table. Thank you and see you in the next video.